My name is Kirsty Williams and I studied Level 2 Beauty Therapy at Aberdeen College Cymraeg. I chose College Cymraeg because I decided through lockdown that I wanted to start my own business through nails and things like that. My plans after college is to go into a salon to gain some experience, and then eventually I would like to run my own business. The highlight for me while being at the college is doing my waxing certificate. I really enjoyed waxing and learning different parts of the body and things while waxing. I would definitely recommend College Cymraeg. The tutors are very helpful. They give you so much information at the start. They help you right the way through, right to the end of the course.